Alrighty guys, we're here in downtown Indianapolis, and there's the Capitol, but we're standing outside the parking garage right next to the Hilton. Now, it's, you know, I came here back in July with Jared and Trevor, and they were in the process of being modded. Look at this. Whoa, look at this. Do not use this button right here. They were getting a mad mod. So I'm gonna get my last final ride on these old elevators here before they completely replace them. Here we are, 11. Whoa. Down to 1. We're definitely going upstairs. See what the hell is going on. There's the front right here. This is the only thing they added. That's literally right next door. Look at those beautiful buttons here. Haughton LCs. It's leveling.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs again, Roy.
We're gonna go up.
Before.
6, please.
6. Well, that panel's not ADA compliant. Here you go. Fix that. Haughton. These are your buttons here. And here we are at 11, and we're going to go up here.
When I get off here, why do you want to get off here?
I want to see what the heck they're doing here.
It's working.
I know, but you can kind of see they got the old lantern on one side and
yeah.
it says do not use.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Let's go.
No. It looks just like the elevator go. This is definitely crazy. I guess they're replacing everything. I think they're actually almost done. They just need to run the new elevator. Look at that. But I guess that's gonna be it for me.